Imagine opening Seller Central tomorrow and discovering your product title, highlights, or other listing information looks different. You didn't change it. Your employee didn't change it. And it wasn't a glitch. Amazon is rolling out AI-powered listing changes, and if you're a brand owner, there's a review window you need to know about. Amazon isn't simply giving you an AI writing assistant. It can recommend or generate listing changes that sellers need to review. Amazon says brand owners have 14 days to review, modify, and approve AI-generated changes. Amazon generates/recommend a change. The brand owner gets a review period. You can modify or reject the change. If you're not paying attention, you can miss the opportunity to intervene. The actual story is more interesting. Amazon is increasingly putting AI into catalog management, and sellers now have to actively review what the system recommends. Check the following. 01. Item name, is the title still accurate? 02. Item highlights, did the AI introduce claims you wouldn't make? 03. Product attributes, are specifications still correct? 04. Brand information, is your brand/product positioning intact? 05. Compliance, did anything change that could create a policy or claim problem? Amazon says sellers can update listings through Manage All Inventory or List Your Products, and bulk updates can also be performed through the Category Listings report. AI can help you manage a catalog, but your catalog is still your responsibility. Don't treat Amazon's AI recommendation as an approval. Treat it as a draft. Review it. Verify the claims. Check the customer-facing wording. And most importantly, build a recurring listing audit instead of waiting for Amazon to tell you something changed. If you sell on Amazon and you want practical updates like this without the usual seller guru noise, subscribe to EcomClarity.